Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to measure your macrame cord using either the centimeter measurement or the inch measurement. So generally what you need to do is just to match the cord with the measurement, make sure that the length matches. So for example, to make this coaster, I would need 10 67 centimeters cord or 26-inch cord. So I will take the cord and I will take the measuring tape, 67 centimeters, I find it here. So now I get the 67 centimeters and I will cut the string accordingly. Nice, so we get our first string. Next, what if it's in inch? Same thing. 26 inch here. 26 inch here. And cut the string accordingly here. So that's it. That's how to cut the cord.